Guys, it's freaking cold out today. It's snowing and we're going to IKEA. It's gonna be an adventure. Hello, snow. Can you like go away so we can drive? Thanks. This is my Saturday snowy outfit look. It's really warm and cozy. I have on, let's start from the top down. We got this scarf, which I wore yesterday. It's from Aeropostale. I have this long sleeve shirt from Free People and has freaking thumb holes. This sweater is wool from Banana Republic. I've worn it for the past 2 days and I probably should wash it. And then I have on these athletic leggings. They're just from the Target C9 brand. I have some socks from Primark tucked over some combat boots, which I ordered like forever ago from Hotlook. I don't remember what brand they are, but I bought them from Hotlook. I went through a huge Hotlook phase in college and I ordered some shoes from there. And I've had them for a few years. I'm not sure if they're still waterproof, so they may not be the best choice of shoe for today, but we're gonna go with it. Our nearest IKEA is the one in New Haven, Connecticut, so we have to drive from where I live to New Haven, which usually takes about a half hour, but with the snow, it could take a little bit longer. I'm ready to go, my mom's ready to go, we're just waiting on my aunt. Let's go. Just kidding. And I'm just working on some YouTube stuff, got the vlog up for today, gotta get some stuff edited and uploaded, gotta get my what I got for Christmas video up. I'm gonna try to do that today. But guys, I'm making an exciting purchase at IKEA. I'm so excited for you to see.
Mama's taking 800 years to come outside.
Please leave a message at the tone. Thank you.
Hello, Mother. Can you hurry up, please? It's time to go. Mom, 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 Mommy, 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 Mama, Mama, Mama. I think I'm funnier than I actually am. We're going to IKEA! Oh, I got a chuckle though. Yeah! She deserves this. Woman! Could you take any more time if you tried? Oh my God! And here, folks, you can see this is the moment Sarah loses her fucking mind. Let's go to IKEA! Coffee time. Yes, coffee. Yes, fam.
Oh, I'm good then. Plug me.
Everyone lean in and smile. That was rude. You just put the coffee over Heather's face.
Sorry, Heather.
What I want to do, it might be hard to handle. When people ask me about my music taste, they're like, "Oh, like what kind of music do you like?" And I go, all of it.
Random? Yeah, I'm like that too.
Except not country and not
any country?
Wah, wah. Yeah, I don't like
can't.
heavy metal. But some rock I get down to. Some heavy metal, honestly, I can do when I work out.
Never mind.
What?
What do you want?
What is your issue?
Nothing.
Tissue?
I have a couple extra napkins. Thank you.
Oh, she's a messy girl.
I didn't put blush on.
Oh, she's a messy girl. Do you want to take some of my
Is that all of it? Yeah, here.
some of my lipstick?
No, I
and
don't.
I can rub it on your
I don't
cheek,
want your lipstick.
and then you'll have blush. Let's go to IKEA.
In the Big Wide parking lot yesterday.
Can you please close the window? It is snowing outside.
In the steal the bread. Steal the bread.
What?
Looks like their bread delivery came and nobody picked it up.
Well, I'll eat it. We just got to IKEA. It only took 8 billion hours, but we're here.
Yeah! We've made it to IKEA!
First.
Yeah, and then I want to come downstairs and look at all of this stuff.
So I got a cart so we can put our coat.
I need to get inspiration.
Yeah, but I want to look at this stuff after.
Yeah, but I want to look at the other stuff first.
No, I didn't get.
How do you feel right now?
I feel like.
Do you feel elated? Do you feel overwhelmed? Do you feel...
I'm
Do you
feeling
feel-
a little, because I'm not feeling that well today, but
But are you happy?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
We are in our element. This is one of the beds I was looking at online, but I think this is the more expensive of the two.
Which one is this one?
Mom, make me a sandwich.
No.
This is nice. I don't like the poles.
What?
The poles.
Oh no, don't like them either. They look like giant staples.
Wow, that's nice though. That's cabinet space.
That's nice.
Oh, yes. Seriously, stop.
Get a boyfriend. Place for your bag.
Get a boyfriend. Oh, yeah. Bow, chicka, bow, wow. Yes, look at that little kitchen. Such great use of space. Mom's been looking at recycling bins for the past 10 minutes. Sarah's losing her mind.
Stop it. Or so help me.
You know what? Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. So help me. So help me.
Seriously, stop quoting them. Monsters Inc.
Hey guys, and welcome to my apartment tour. So if you come through, this is a studio apartment. It's really small, but it makes me super happy. So in here we have the bathroom. It's really little, but I love IKEA, so I used the storage super well. Look at this little baby kitchen, but it's so bright and airy. Excuse me. Oh my god, who are these strangers inside of my apartment? Get out. Yeah, my chair and my hook. I keep all of my shoes in here, but none of them are here except for these two hideous pairs because I don't know. And then over here you have my bed, which is also my couch and my TV and all my books and all my storage. This is where I keep all of my clothes and all of my things that make me awesome. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Yes, now time for the fun part. Okay, I like things that are smooshy. They gotta be smooshy. But the thing is, I don't want a mattress topper. I just want to buy a mattress.
No, it's the whole mattress.
No, you're laying on a topper. You're laying on a $499 mattress with the $229 mattress topper on top. Yep. I kick it up. IKEA is pretty great at vegan food actually. They have veggie balls which are vegan, which come with some rice and quinoa and some cauliflower and carrots. Though I think the sauce might have had cheese in it. I'm not sure. Yes, this is my friend the elephant. He is my best friend and he will always be my best friend and I will love him forever. And I got a little salad and a roll. And I'm gonna ask my mom to go get me some french fries if they, I don't know if they come on their own, but if they don't worry about it. But I would like some french fries. Food was really good. I thoroughly enjoyed mine. Now I have to go be coffee girl. Go get coffees. Yeah, mine, I killed mine. Well, there's a little bit, but it's all cold. We've made it to the end of IKEA. Now for finding my bed and mattress. Let's go. This is quite an excursion for sure, ladies and gents. We need to go to aisles 28 and 32. Let's go. Okay, so it's 28, 29. Comes in 3 packages, white, fold up. That's right. So I need 1, 2, and 3. It's so long. This was such a good idea in my brain. But now in practice, I'm like, oh shit.
Pivot, pivot,
Pivot, pivot, pivot, pivot. This is a disaster. Forget my vlog camera.
Oh yeah.
It's filming that whole thing. We are one wide load today. Yes, look at this train of things. Woohoo! Thanks, Mom. I love you. Yes, those are your things. Don't worry, I'm okay back here.
Alright, we made it all the way through IKEA and back into the car.
Now we just need to get home.
Get that behind.
Nope, nope, there's no behind. There's no behind. It's only me.
I can't see you.
Exactly. Guys, This is the only room I have to call my own. This little space. Because of this box. It's actually kind of comfy back here. All right, let's go home. And then I have to set up this bed. That's gonna be a disaster.
I don't need dog help. I don't need doggy help.
Could be a little strict.
I don't need dog help. Get out of here. Get out.
Come on, dogs.
It's like rounded now.
Yeah, it's old and it's been probably stripped.
Okay, well, how am I supposed to get it out?
I don't know. I'll work on it. Hold on.
Hold on. Okay, so we're home. I changed into some comfy clothes, and all of the boxes are in my room. Thank you, Thomas. He helped me carry them up. My mom, Heather, and I took apart the bed that was in here, which is now in the basement. It's so empty in here. It's unreal. Oh my gosh. And so I'm gonna start trying to figure this out. We'll see how it goes. I've now reached the point where I need assistance. I need help getting these onto the bed. But guys, I'm making some good friggin' progress with this bed. I might be able to even sleep in it tonight. Yes. Do you think one of you could help me?
Okay, so
Maybe after this episode?
this is good.
I just need someone to hold it in place while I put it together. How many more minutes are left?
We're in the clouds. Where's the
Almost over? Okay. How's the potato? Is it done? There's no time on it. Yeah. I'm having a baked potato with some tempeh bacon as my like dinner slash break from building this bed. Good morning, guys. Happy freaking Friday! Woohoo! I'm just moving my laundry out of the way so I can show you my outfits. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm very